How to fix Microsoft Office cannot find your license for this application error on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Microsoft Office cannot find your license for this application error on Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is on your computer's search, simply search for services. After you find services here, open this up. Now, right here, you should find a lot of different services. You will need to head over to your service that is called software projection right here and tap on start the service. After you start the service, you will be able to simply, as it says right here, enable the download, installation, and enforcement of digital licenses for Windows and Windows application. If this is disabled, your OS and license may run in a notification mode. So yeah, just start this or simply restart this if it is already starting. And after that, what you'll then need to do is open up your control panel. And on your control panel, head over to your uninstall software option. It should be somewhere around here. Let me change this here. Yeah, simply head over to uninstall a program and there search for Office. After you find Office, what you'll need to do is you'll need to simply select it, tap on change. So let me just do one example here. So simply select one, and what you'll need to do is tap on uninstall/change. After you do that, there you will get an option to repair your Office. So tap on repair, and after you tap on repair, your Microsoft Office will get repaired and your problem will get fixed. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.